Look at me. Look at me right now. You are either retired, or you are standing right on the edge of retirement, looking into the next chapter of your life. And you have worked too hard, for too many years, to let a single, careless mistake wipe out the financial security you spent a lifetime building. You are here because you want to know how to download the Bifrost wallet. Maybe someone told you it's a great way to earn a little extra yield on your crypto assets, or maybe you just want to keep your digital investments safe. But I need you to understand something right now. The cryptocurrency world is a financial jungle. If you walk into it unprepared, if you make one wrong click today, you could lose every single penny. And at this stage in your life, you do not have the time to make up for lost money. You just don't. The biggest problem you face right now isn't the technology itself. It is the predators who are waiting for you to try and navigate it. When you type Bifrost wallet download into a search bar, do you know what happens? The very first results you see might look identical to the real thing, but they are fake. They are beautifully designed traps set by scammers to look like the official Bifrost app. If you download a counterfeit version of this wallet, you aren't just downloading a piece of software, you are handing the keys to your financial house directly to a thief. They will take your money, they will disappear, and because this is crypto, there is no 1-800 number to call. There is no manager to speak with. There is no FDIC insurance coming to save you. Once it is gone forever. I know that terrifies you. It should terrify you. Fear is a beautiful tool when it keeps you from making a catastrophic mistake with your hard-earned retirement money. You are probably asking yourself, Susie, how on earth am I supposed to know what's real and what's a scam? Am I smart enough to do this safely? Yes, you are. But you have to slow down. You cannot afford to rush when it comes to your money. Let's clear up the confusion right now so you can do this with total confidence. The Bifrost wallet is a mobile-only application. What does that mean? It means it only runs on your smartphone or your tablet. There is absolutely no desktop version of this software. If you are sitting at a computer right now trying to download a Bifrost app or a Google Chrome browser extension for your desktop, stop. It is a scam. 100% of the time. You must use an Apple iPhone, an iPad, or an Android device. Now, I want you to take a deep breath, grab your smartphone, and follow my voice. We are going to do this the right way, the safe way. Your very first actionable takeaway is to open the official, legitimate application store that came built into your phone. If you have an Apple iPhone, you open the App Store. It's the blue icon with the white letter A. If you have an Android device, like a Samsung or a Google Pixel, you open the Google Play Store. Do not look for this on a random website or click a link in an email. Go straight to the source on your device. Once you are inside your App Store, tap the search bar and type in exactly Bifrost wallet. Before you press download, you must verify who made it. This is your financial shield. Underneath the title of the app, you need to look at the name of the developer. It must say Bifrost Software Ltd. or TOE Labs. If it says anything else, anything at all, do not touch it. Look at the number of downloads and reviews. A real, established wallet will have thousands of users and high ratings. If you see an app with only 3 reviews and a generic developer name, it is a trap. When you have confirmed it is the real Bifrost wallet, tap download or install and let it load onto your phone. Now, once the app is on your phone, you are going to open it, and it's going to ask you to create wallet. This is the moment where most people completely ruin their financial future, and I will not let that happen to you. The app is going to generate something called a secret recovery phrase. This is a list of 12 or 24 random words. Listen to me carefully. Those words are your money. They are the master key to your funds. If your phone breaks, if you lose it, or if it drops in the water, those words are the only way you can recover your wealth. But if a scammer gets a glimpse of those words, they can log into your wallet from anywhere in the world and drain your account in seconds. Here is your absolute rule for safety. You write those words down with a pen on a physical piece of paper. Do not take a screenshot. Do not save them in a note on your phone. Do not type them into an email or save them to the cloud. If you store those words digitally, you are begging to be hacked. Write them down on 2 separate pieces of paper. Put one in a secure place where you keep your important legal documents, and put the other in a completely different, safe location, like a fireproof lockbox. The app will ask you to re-enter those words in the correct order to prove you wrote them down. Take your time, verify each word, and complete the setup. Once that is done, you have successfully and safely downloaded your wallet. You now hold the ultimate responsibility for your own security. You are acting as your own bank. No one from Bifrost will ever email you, no one will ever call you, and no one will ever ask you for your recovery phrase. If anyone ever requests those words, I don't care how official they look, I don't care if they claim to be tech support trying to help you fix an error, they are a thief. You hang up, you delete the message, and you protect what is yours. You have the knowledge, you have the steps, and you have the power to keep your retirement secure. Stay safe, be smart, and value your money.